What does it mean to glow up? Well, it's not just about changing your looks, but also your mindset, habits, and attitude. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and living your full potential. Sounds good, right? But how do you do it? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that will help you achieve a stunning glow up in no time. Number 1. Take care of your skin. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, and it reflects your health and hygiene. If you want to glow up, you need to have clear, smooth, and radiant skin. How do you get that? Well, first of all, you need to wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Then, you need to moisturize your skin with a good lotion or cream that hydrates and nourishes your skin. And finally, you need to protect your skin from the sun with a sunscreen that has at least SPF 30. Trust me, these simple steps will make a huge difference in your skin quality and appearance. I have a comprehensive video on skincare routines, and I'll provide the link in the eye, as well as in the description. Number 2. Get a haircut that suits your face shape. Your hair is one of the most noticeable features of your face, and it can either enhance or ruin your look. If you want to glow up, you need to get a haircut that flatters your face shape and matches your personality and style. How do you find that? Well, first of all, you need to identify your face shape. Is it round, oval, square, heart, or diamond? Then, you need to research some hairstyles that work well with your face shape. You can use Google or Pinterest for inspiration. And finally, you need to go to a professional barber or stylist who can give you the haircut that you want. Don't be afraid to experiment with different lengths, textures, and colors until you find the one that makes you look amazing. I have a complete video about haircuts, and I've included the link both in the eye and in the description. Number 3. Upgrade your wardrobe. Your clothes are another important aspect of your appearance, and they can either make you look stylish or sloppy. If you want to glow up, you need to upgrade your wardrobe and invest in some quality pieces that fit you well and suit your taste. How do you do that? Well, first of all, you need to get rid of any clothes that are old, worn out, stained, or ill-fitting. Then, you need to build a capsule wardrobe that consists of some basic items that are versatile and timeless. For example, a white shirt, a black t-shirt, a pair of jeans, a leather jacket, a blazer, etc. And finally, you need to add some accessories that can spice up your outfits and show off your personality. For example, a watch, a belt, a hat, a scarf, etc. Number 4. Work on your fitness. Your body is the temple of your soul, and it affects your energy level and mood. If you want to glow up, you need to work on your fitness and improve your strength, endurance, and flexibility. How do you do that? Well, first of all, you need to find a physical activity that you enjoy and that challenges you. It can be anything from running to swimming to yoga to martial arts. Then, you need to set some realistic goals for yourself and track your progress. For example, how many miles can you run in an hour? How many push-ups can you do in a minute? How long can you hold a plank? And finally, you need to reward yourself for your achievements and celebrate your milestones. For example, treat yourself to a massage or a new pair of sneakers. Number 5. Develop your confidence. Your confidence is the key to your success and happiness. If you want to glow up, you need to develop your confidence and believe in yourself and your abilities. How do you do that? Well, first of all, you need to identify and challenge your negative thoughts and beliefs. Then, you need to replace them with positive affirmations and compliments. For example, instead of saying "I'm not good enough," say, "I'm awesome, and I can do anything." And finally, you need to act as if you are confident, even if you don't feel like it. For example, stand tall, smile, make eye contact, speak clearly, and be assertive. These are some of the tips that will help you glow up as a man and transform your life. I've created a comprehensive video about high-value men, and you can find the link in both the eye and the video description. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.